Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing from Latest in Beauty, and we also actually have a giveaway because I believe the day that this is going live is my actual birthday, and for the past couple of years now I have always done a giveaway on my birthday. I did do a few recent giveaways during lockdown and decided to do one more, but thought I would turn it into my birthday giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what is up for grabs and also the rules for entering the giveaway. First of all, I want to go over the Latest in Beauty box. So this is a box that I actually received at the very end of June. So the Hot Right Now edit is actually June's edit. I didn't think to look what July's edit was before I sat down, but I can always stick that on the screen if you are interested. This was the June box. At the point I ordered this, I wasn't actually subscribed to the service. I just picked this box up because there were a couple of items on their website that I wanted to try. At this moment in time, I haven't cancelled it for July, so I may be getting another box in another few weeks, but I will have a look at what's on their website at the time and decide whether to cancel or not. The way this subscription service works is not like a normal subscription service. You don't just get a random box of items each month, you do actually pick them yourself. They do have a few different levels of service. You can either get 3 items for £9, 6 items for £15, or 9 items for, I believe it's £22. For this one, I went for the 6 items for £15. So unlike other subscriptions, this isn't always sent to you at the beginning of the month. It is sent to you at the point you subscribe. So because I did subscribe towards the end of June, I would then get my pick for July's box towards the end of July. I would get an email around my payment date to say that I can now choose my items for the next month. During that period, which is usually the 7 days prior to the payment, I can also choose to cancel the subscription if I wish. So at that point, I will make the decision based on what is available on the website whether to pick 6 more items, possibly downgrade to the 3 item box, or cancel a service altogether. But why don't I show you the items that I picked this month? So when I did receive this box, I was very surprised by the size of it, because from previous boxes I had, they've been about half the size of this one. So I did expect big things for the size of my products when I opened the box, but sneak peek, I was slightly disappointed. You would think they would have a couple of different size boxes for each month because there's so many different products people can pick from. There are obviously bigger items on there, but if you pick a lot of small items like I have, you then end up with the items rattling around in a big box. But that's just my 2 cents on that point. So the reason I ended up picking up this box was because I seen an advert on Instagram for one of the items that was available to pick from, and it was this Feather and Down pillow spray. If you did see my recent haul from the month of June, you will see that I tried a hand sanitizer from Bye Bye Beauty that actually smelled like lavender, and I did end up using it as a pillow spray for a while. So I did want to pick up an actual pillow spray that might have other scents in it other than the lavender that might help my sleep. So a few days before seeing it advertised on Latest in Beauty, I did actually go to pick one up direct from the Feather and Down website. That appeared to be the cheapest place to pick it up from, and I believe I got distracted and didn't end up checking it out. So when I seen it come up on Instagram for the Latest in Beauty, I took it as a sign to give another one of these boxes a go, obviously on the basis there was enough products there for me to want to get it, which there was. But this was the main thing as to why I was getting it. Because I was surprised by how small a couple of the items are in here, I did actually go through and work out the value of everything. For this product, this is 50ml and this is the travel size, and the one I was actually going to purchase from Feather and Down, and this one retails for £3.50. I'm saying about me being surprised about the size of the products, it's not because Latest in Beauty have been deceitful at all. They are always completely honest, and when you go to select your items, if you click into each item, it will tell you how big the item is. I just didn't look closely enough, and that's why some of these items are smaller than I thought they would be. The first of which being this cream from Nivea. This is the Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle Firming Night Cream. This is only a 5ml pot. A full size one of this is only £5.49, so I think based on the value of other things, I had presumed I was going to get a full size and not just 5ml. I am still excited to give it a go, and obviously if I like it, it means that it doesn't break the bank to purchase the full size, but it's my own fault for not looking at how big the actual product itself was. But this is just the smallest pot. So I work out that the value of this one is 55 pence. Each month in the latest in beauty, they do have an item that is their haul of the month, and this is basically an item that they have a lot of, that it will be available throughout the whole course of the month. A lot of their products will only be on there for a few days, so like I got the notification that this was going on, but this might not be on there for much longer, whereas the haul of the month is only on there for that set month and then disappears. So June's haul of the month item was this set of perfumes from Floral Street. So this is 5 different scents and comes in this really cute little package. So we have London Poppy, Wonderland Peony, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose and Arizona Bloom. Even though it is with the name Floral Street and a lot of these perfumes do have flower names in them, I generally don't tend to go for flower perfumes, but the one in here that is Electric Rhubarb, when I've read about what that one supposedly smells like, I have considered purchasing the full size of it. So you can actually purchase this little mini set on a few different websites, and this does actually retail for £9, and I have gone to purchase this myself just to see what the perfumes smell like. I can't remember what these perfumes are full size. I do really want to smell the Electric Rhubarb one because it is a perfume I have looked at purchasing. I don't want to spray it right now to see what it's like because if I'm honest, I have a slight headache and perfume always exacerbates it, so I won't spray it right now, but I will probably come back with an update of some sort once I've tried them and let you know what my thoughts are. But this is one that I do genuinely want to try because it is to potentially purchase a full size or something. Next we have a single eye mask from the brand Black, and this is a product that I have tried before. I did get a pack of 5 of these in a FabFitFun box I tried over the winter period, and I did really enjoy them. They come like this and they are a sort of gel type consistency. They fit under the eye perfectly, they are really nice and cooling and they stay in place, and I do feel like they genuinely depuff my eyes and just make me look less tired. On the front of it, it does say late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights. Can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox and get back to your shiny gorgeous self. So I do really like these, and I know it is only an individual mask, but I have actually gone to purchase a full pack of these a couple of times because I did really enjoy them, but a full pack is about £30 for 5, which is pretty expensive. I work out that even just this single mask is £5.80. So it's not a product that I'll probably ever purchase another full pack of, but while I can get individual ones as part of a bundle or something else, I'll always pick one up. Next we have a product from Glam Glow, and this is their Super Toner. It looks a bit like dirty water, so I'm a bit intrigued by this one. This is another product I did think would be slightly bigger. Even though I know Glam Glow is a pretty expensive brand, I did think that this would maybe be a sort of 10 or 15ml, whereas this is only a 7ml. I work out that this is worth £1.02. Still a good way for me to try the product, and there is enough in there that I will get a good few goes out of it to see if I like it. I think the full size of this is about £29, so not as expensive as some of the Glam Glow products I've seen. I'm keen to give it a go, and that's obviously the point in this box. And then the final product is a product that I just threw in because there was nothing else that I fancied. This is a lip product from Revlon. This is the Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Colour. This one is in the shade Whipped Hazelnut. It does look like a really pretty shade, and I'm kind of intrigued by the formula. I've tried a few different blotted lip products in the past and not been a massive fan, so I say this one was just kind of thrown in to be my 6th product. But with regards to value, as I said earlier, this box was £15 for the 6 items. I've worked out that the full total of the 6 items is £27.86. Yes, it's not the highest value for the amount I've paid. I'm only getting an extra £12 or £13 from what I've paid, but because there are a few products in here that I genuinely wanted to try, I don't mind too much. I think if I'd have realised that these products were going to be so small, I might have just got these on the 3 for £9. I've still got a few decent amounts of product for £15, and at least I've picked items that I genuinely want to try, so I will have a go at these and no doubt get back to you in a future video. So that is the unboxing of the latest in beauty box. Now on to the giveaway. First of all, I will show you the items that are included, and then I will give you the rules of how to enter. First of all, we have this product from Neod, and this is the Photography Fluid Opacity Highlighting System. Then we have this shower scrub from What's In It For Me. This moisturiser from Sealer. This is the Creme de la Creme Very Best Cream. We have this glow elixir from Figs and Rouge. We have this Nude by Nature Beach Glow liquid highlighter, which looks like that. We have this Max Factor lipstick in the shade Ruby Tuesday. This Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Exposed. A mini Benefit Hoola bronzer. An eyeshadow palette from Steve Laurent. This is the Wild Thing palette. That is what the inside of that looks like. We have an eyeshadow brush duo from LA Splash, a comb from Birchbox, a Smashbox Photo Finish Minimising Pore Primer, a Lip Coat lipstick extender, a Stargazer glitter eye pencil, an e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Classy, and finally a Tarte's lip paint in the shade Rose. And I just have a small blister pack of some foundation samples and a primer that I'm not going to use, so I'm just going to chuck them in as well. So that is all the items included in the giveaway. If you are interested in entering, you must please be over the age of 18 or have the permission of a parent or guardian to enter, because you are going to be giving your address to a stranger on the internet. You must also be a subscriber to my channel. There will be a link in the description box below to a random generator which will ask for your email address and some other confirmation details, as well as confirming that you are a subscriber. There will also be some bonus entries on that generator as well. This giveaway is open internationally and will be open for 1 month. Full details of the closing date will be listed in the description box below. If you've previously been subscribed to my channel to just enter a giveaway and did unsubscribe after that giveaway ended, you will be disqualified from any future giveaways, so please don't try and enter this giveaway. So confirmation of these rules will be listed in the description box below with that link to the generator. You must make sure that you do enter your details correctly into the generator, as that is what I use to pick the winner. But other than that, if you are going to enter the giveaway, good luck. And that is it for today's video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.